This is the home page where you can see the navigation bar, home itself, and the products. You can also see the name of the online shop, which is Shopee, and its collection, which is Proper Collection. You can also see its tagline, which is Give your feet the beauty treatment that only brand new shoes can give. In products, there are two drop-down buttons, which are male shoes and female shoes. In male shoes, you can see the products here consist of its price and description. If you hover on the product, two buttons will appear, View Item and Add to Cart. You can view the product individually, just click the View Item. Every product, you can see the View Item and Add to Cart button. This is a viewable product where you can click the View Item button, it will direct you here. You can see the products with the price and its description. And you can see Buy Now and Add to Cart button here. And let's go to female shoes. Just like in male shoes, here you can also see the products, descriptions, and its price individually. You can also view the item and you can see the Add to Cart button. View item. In female shoes, you can view the product individually. Just click the View Item.